In today's class, we will learn about problems on harmonic analysis. The problem is obtain the constant term and the first two harmonic given by the following table x and y values. So x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and respective y values are 9, 18, 24, 38, 26 and 20. The solution of this problem we'll see now. The problem is obtain the constant term and the first two harmonic given by the following table. So the x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y values are 9, 18, 24, 38, 26 and 20. You can observe here the values of x are very simple values, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say that in general it is less than 10. So at that time such kind of values of x will consider in form of what here? Arbitrary values. So if it is arbitrary value, then we have a different second formula. Means we need to apply a harmonic formula for arbitrary period, or I can say that for the period 2L. So solution. So the values at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given, and here if you count it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so capital N value is 6 here, and hence the interval, because this is very important, hence the interval of x should be x greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 6. So x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 6. This is very important. So therefore the length of the interval, that is 2L is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 6, lower limit is 0, so which implies the value of L is 3. So this is must here to simplify such kind of examples. Now, so we'll see here. So as per the given question, so they have said to find what here? Constant term and the first two harmonic. So what do you mean by first two harmonic? Means we need to state the formula for that. The first two harmonic is given by the Fourier series of first two harmonic in period 2L. It is given by f of x is equal to a naught upon 2 plus a1 into cos of theta. Remember why I am taking theta, plus b1 into sine theta, because here it is the value of xr in terms of arbitrary. So therefore theta value, you know that it is pi x upon L. So we'll say later that one, plus a2 into cos of 2 theta plus b2 into sine of 2 theta, where theta is nothing but pi x upon L, that is nothing but pi x upon L value is 3. So theta value is what here, pi x upon 3. So here what happens, so they will give the value of x, so that value we need to apply in the theta value and we need to generate theta, and remaining all values we need to find according to theta only. And as we know that where a0 value, a1 value, b1 value, a2 value, b2 value is given by where a0 is 2 upon capital N summation y, then I will take generally an is given by 2 upon n summation of y cos of n theta, because if we put n is equal to, small n is equal to 1, we'll get cos theta, and if we put n is equal to 2, we'll get a2, that is cos of 2 theta here. Similarly, the general bn value is 2 upon capital N summation y sine of n theta. So with the help of this, we'll proceed now here one by one. So we needed what here, if you put we needed a1 value, b1 value. If a1 value means we'll get y cos of theta, and b1 means y sin theta we need to find, and if a2 is there, we need to find y cos of 2 theta we need to find, and b2 means what here, y sin of 2 theta we need to find. So we need to find the value of summation y, summation of y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, and y sin theta and y sin 2 theta, because n is equal, we need to find a1, a2, b1, b2. So let's see the table now. So the columns are, so first x value, we'll take it. So x value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we need to find immediately the theta value. Theta is nothing but pi x upon 3. So you need to prepare here. So theta is what here, pi x upon 3. So while finding the value of theta, pi you treated as what here, 180. So 180 into x value divided by 3, whatever what we'll get here, that we'll prepare in the calculator. So we'll prepare pi x upon, that is pi will take, you take fraction option, that is 180 into alpha x divided by 3 calc option. So when x is 0, because first value of x is 0, when x is 0, so value is what here, 0. Then next we need to see here, then calc option, when x is 1, so value is how much here, 60, means all values will convert it in terms of degree. The next calc option, when x is 2, we'll get 120, when x is 3, we'll get 180, when x is 4, it is 240, when x is 5, it is 300. So we got the values of theta now. Next we need to collect the values of y value. So y value as per from the table, next column is y. So as per the table, it is 9, 18, 24, 38, 26 and 20. But here I want to go back to the question. Obtain the question is obtain the constant term and the first two harmonic given by the following table. So the next values are here. y cos theta, y cos of 2 theta, y sin theta, and y sin of 2 theta. So these are the table we need to find. Means these are the values we need to find here. So then again we'll use the calculator. So you know this concept, I will repeat once again. So y cos theta we need to prepare in the calculator. So it is alpha y cos of uh, so instead of theta, I will say that some value here as I will take capital A, because alpha A. So here A will treat as a theta now, because we need to apply the value. So therefore I will treat theta as A, and wherever it will ask the value of A, will replace the value of theta. So therefore y value is how much here? 9. If you calculate option, y value is 9 equal to sign, and A value it is asking, it will be 0. So the solution will be what here? Y cos theta will be 9. Next again go for back to calc option. Y value is 18 and theta value will be 60. That is A value will be 60. So it will be again 9. Then next Y value is 24 and theta, that is A value is how much here? 120. So it will be minus 12. You can see the value, it is minus 12. So similarly we need to calculate the remaining all values of y cos theta with respect to y and theta. So therefore it will become next value minus 12, next is 28 if you calculate, then minus 13 and 10. So we needed the summation of y, so we'll calculate. Summation of y value will be, if you add all these 9, 18, 24, 38, 26, 20, we'll get 125. And if you add y cos theta, summation of y cos theta will be, it is minus 25. So similarly, if you prepare the y cos of 2 times theta, so the values will be, so now these are the values of y cos 2 theta, that is 9 minus 9 minus 12, 38 minus 13 minus 10, and the summation of y cos 2 theta is 3. Similarly, the value of y sin theta is 0, 15.588, 20.784, 0, minus 22.516. Next value is minus 17.32, and the summation of y sin theta is minus 3.464. Similarly, the value of y sin 2 theta is 0, 15.588, minus 20.784, 0, and next value is 22.516, and next value is minus 17.32, and the summation of y sin 2 theta is 0. So with the help of these values, we'll apply what you will find the value of A0, A1, A2, B1, B2. So these are the summations I have collected from the table. Now we'll go for one by one. So A0 is nothing but 2 upon n value, n is 6, summation y from the table, it is 125, and the solution means the result of this is 41.67 you will get. Next, A1 value. So A1, if you apply small n is equal to 1, it will become A1, 2 upon capital N, summation y into cos of 1 theta, it will become cos theta. So y cos theta is nothing but how much here? Minus 25. So therefore A1 is equal to 2 upon 6 minus 25, which is nothing but minus 8.33. So similarly we need to find the value of a2 also. So a2 is equal to 2 upon 6. So y cos 2 theta, answer is 3 here. So it is 3. So 3 2s are 6. So you will get 1. Next we'll go for b1. So 2 upon capital N is 6. Summation of y sine theta is how much here? Minus 3.464. So therefore the solution value of this is what here? Minus 1.155. And similarly, so b2 is nothing but 2 upon 6, and summation y sine 2 theta is 0, so therefore it is 0. So therefore our final result will become, that is f of x, or I can say that, so in the question they have asked what here, we need to find a constant and cosine, and second cosine and cosine terms, or we can say that first two harmonic, that is f of x is equal to a naught upon 2, that is 41.67 upon 2, plus a1 value is how much here? Minus 8.333 of cos theta, plus b1 value is minus 1.155 into sine theta, plus next value is, I'll write down here, a2 value is how much here? 1 into cos of 2 theta, plus b2 value is 0 into sine of 2 theta. So therefore on final rearrangement, so it will be f of x is equal to 41.67 will become how much here? On simplification it will become 20.835 minus 8.333 cos theta minus 1.155 of sine theta plus cos of 2 theta. So this is the required first two harmonic.